Samsung's Galaxy S26 Ultra is generating buzz again, but not all of it is good news. If you were waiting for a major camera breakthrough, you might be disappointed. According to Ice Universe, a highly trusted leaker on X, the upcoming flagship won't feature a brand new main camera sensor. Instead, Samsung is reusing the same 200-megapixel ISOCELL HP2 sensor introduced in the S23 Ultra. It's a reliable sensor, sure, but fans hoping for a fresh leap, possibly with Sony's newer, larger sensor, are being left in the cold. The main change here isn't in the sensor itself, but in the aperture. Samsung is switching from f1.7 to f1.4, which lets in significantly more light. 47% more to be exact. That upgrade is aimed squarely at boosting night photography and low-light performance. Now, f1.4 does raise concerns when shooting in bright conditions, but Samsung may already have a fix lined up. There's talk of bringing back the dual aperture system that last appeared in the Galaxy S10 lineup, allowing automatic switching between different aperture settings. This flexibility would make the S26 Ultra's camera more adaptive in various lighting situations, making the change more than just a minor tweak. It's a smart move that adds practicality without introducing new hardware complexity. Meanwhile, other areas of the phone are getting meaningful updates. Under the hood, the S26 Ultra is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 4, also referred to as the Snapdragon 8 Elite 2. It's a next-gen chip promising stronger AI processing, better battery efficiency, and smoother performance. This powerhouse will be paired with Samsung's One UI 8.5, likely introducing new smart features and more refined user controls that take advantage of the upgraded chip. The display is also rumored to get slightly larger, and battery life is expected to improve, not just in capacity, but potentially in charging speed as well. Camera-wise, other enhancements are reportedly in the pipeline, especially in the telephoto department. While exact details remain vague, small but meaningful improvements to zoom and image processing are likely. Still, there's no word on anything drastic like variable zoom or folded lens design, so expectations should remain grounded. Samsung appears to be refining rather than reinventing with this model. The Galaxy S26 Ultra will be launched in January 2026 alongside two other variants, the Galaxy S26 Pro and a slimmer Galaxy S26 Edge. This three-tier strategy gives buyers more choice depending on their needs and budget. As for pricing, the S26 Ultra is expected to start at around $1,299, similar to its predecessor.